Hey guys, Steve from Tentworld Bellyheads here, and today we'll be taking a look at the OZtrail Deluxe chair. So with the OZtrail Deluxe chair, we have three colours to pick from: red, blue, and green. Now this chair in particular, a packed weight is 3.3 kilos with a weight rating of up to 130 kilos. Now a few features about this chair: we have one cup holder, two cup holder, and then located on the back of the chair, we have a little pouch here to store some belongings, or if you want, the actual packaging for the chair. And with these chair guys, the pack up size, looking at 93 centimeters by 18 by 20. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you in store at your local Tentworld. Thanks guys.